Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. So for this week's poem, it says, Carspell Thorn and Cress are stuck in the desert. They have 4 cylindrical bottles of water. One height 10 inches and radius 2 inches. Another of height 12 inches but radius 1.5 inches. A third of height 9 inches and radius 7/3 of an inch. And the last has a height of 8 and a radius of 3. Crest estimates that it will take the two at least 12 nights to walk to the nearest village. Each night they each drink 20 cubic inches of water in order to stay hydrated for the next day's walk. Will they survive? So first we need to find the total amount of water they have. So for the first cylinder, so for cylinder number 1, we have that the radius is 2. So since the volume of a cylinder is the height times pi r squared, this is 10 times 2 squared pi, which is equal to 40 pi. The second has a height of 12 and a radius of 1.5, and this is equal to 27 pi. The third has a radius of 7/3 but a height of 9, and this is equal to 49 pi. The last has a height of 8 and a radius of 3 pi, and this is 72 pi. So now we total these up that they have a total of 188 pi cubic inches of water. Let me check. Yeah, no. Okay, so we have 40, 27, 49, 72, 8, 1. Okay. So we have 100. So they have 188 pi cubic inches of water. And since each night they each drink 20 cubic inches and at least 12, and they drink. So each of them drink 20 cubic inches of water per night. So each night, 40 cubic inches of water is consumed. So, and since there are 12 nights, they need 480 cubic inches of water to survive. So now we want to compare 188 pi and 480. 188 times 3.14 is equal to, let's see, 2, 3, 0. 488 90.32 about is about 590.32. And since this value is greater than 480, that both of them will survive the 12 nights.